Are your pastel sticks dirty like mine? Well, today I'm going to show you a very quick and easy way to clean them. The first thing you'll need is a Tupperware container with a lid. And I like this bowl. It's actually from a salad spinner, but something that's screened is handy. Not necessary, you can still clean it without having one, but I do like having one. And cornmeal. I place the pastels in the netted bowl inside my Tupperware container. Take my cornmeal. You just want a fair amount in there. I'm going to put the lid on. And shake it. Lift it up. This is why having a netted bowl is handy. And look at how clean they are. That was so quick and simple, wasn't it? I've never tried this before, but do you have a little box of like pastel pieces like I do? Well, I'm going to see if this process works for this. There's all those little pastel bits. My lid doesn't fit that well, but I'm going to just shake it like this. All right, let's see how they turned out. Wow! Can you see that? They're back to their original color. Wow, that was awesome. And see how quick that was? It's so simple. And you can reuse this cornmeal. You can just hold on to it in the container you have and use it again and again. And you can pick out those little bits. Those are these bits are so small they fell through the screen. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, it really helps me out, helps my channel, my YouTube channel to grow, and I really appreciate it. And please check back. Every week I'll be posting a new video. If you hit the bell button too, it'll notify you when I have a new video posted. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it.